friends, today we're going to be talking about winter. While we were on holiday, the seasons have changed from fall to winter. And winter might look a little different depending where you live. For example, if you live in the northern states, then they have very cold winter and they see lots and lots of snow. But if you live in the southern states, the winter is not as cold as the north. It might get a little chilly, but they don't see snow. But here in Virginia, sometimes we do get snow, right? But some other winters we don't get as much. But the weather has been getting a little bit chillier, right? And it has been getting cold. So the season have changed and now we are in winter. And look at my friend, Piggy. It looks like Piggy has also prepared for winter. She's wearing a warm hat with a warm scarf. She's trying to keep cozy. And I think she's ready for snow. Are you ready for snow, Piggy? Oh, I think she said yes. Are you ready for some snow? Do you like snow? Do you like to play and have fun in it? There's so much fun things you can do. You can build a snowman, or you can go sledding in the snow. You could do a snowball fight. Those are always fun. Or you could do snow angels. So much fun things to do. So let's just hope. We are hoping and we're finger crossing that we get a little bit of snow this year. All right, but in the meantime, I want to talk to you about how a snowflake looks like, because it's really amazing if you look at a snowflake really, really close. And then we are going to make a fun activity with Q-tips, and we're going to make our own snowflakes. That looks just like this one. All right, friends, let's get ready. All right, friends, let's look at some pictures of snowflakes. All right, we're going to read this book together, okay? It's called We See Snowflakes in Winter by Rebecca Felix. Ooh, what do you see? What warm clothes do you see? That's right, if you said a warm hat, you're right. If you said a big coat, you're also right. She's wearing a big coat, or he's wearing a big coat. And I also see mittens because he needs his hands to be warm. All right, and it says cold. Winter is here. Weather gets cold. So we know that when winter is around, it does get cold. Look at this. Air holds water vapor that we cannot see, and it freezes when air in the sky gets too cold. Look at this kid over here. It looks like he's on his way to go sledding. And this word says ice. Ice covers the dust particles. Do you see it? The dust specks in the sky, and they become snowflakes. Oh, this is how a snowflake looks like if you have to look at it really, really closely. It's very tiny, so we can't really see it with our own eyes. But if you go look at it really closely, sometimes you could see it. The specks become heavier than air, and they fall. Ice crystals grow on them as they fall. Do you see it? It looks so awesome. Oh, look at some more. Some of them look different, right? They all come in different sizes and different shapes. Crystals grow in many patterns. Each snowflake is different. Isn't that amazing? I think that's pretty awesome. Snowing. We see snowflakes fall. We say it is snowing. See the little boy catching the snowflakes that are coming down. Many snowflakes fall in a winter storm. This is a snowstorm. Oh, I don't want to be in a snowstorm. I like to go after it's all done. But some people like to go and see how it feels when it falls down. Oh, look at it on the ground. What do you see? What activity do you see here? If you said snow angel, you're right. on the ground. Snowflakes stick together. They cover the ground. All right, now we're gonna get ready to do our fun activity. All right, friends, so for our activity, we are going to be making snowflakes. And remember what we talked about when we looked at all the different snowflake is that they are all different. So it doesn't matter if yours will come out looking like this because they're all going to be great snowflakes. So I want you to have fun and I want you to play with the Q-tips that we sent home. If you have extra at home, you may use those too, and just have fun with it and build your own snowflakes. So I'm going to show you how I made my snowflakes, okay? And then you can do it the way you want to do it. All right, so I'm going to move. These are some of the examples that I did, but I'm going to move them aside so I can show you how I started. All right, so you can use the Q-tips the way they are, straight, right? So you can use them and build your snowflake the way you want. And if you want to add a different style or different shape, then you can twist and bend your Q-tip like this, okay? So just hold it in the middle and you're going to fold it, okay? So that's the middle of the Q-tip and you're going to fold it gently, not all the way. We don't want to break it. All right, and then you have a letter V. See that? We made a letter V with our Q-tip. All right, and then you're going to place it wherever. You can place it up here. You can place it down here if you want to. You can put two, one on top of each other. Oh, I like that one. I think I'm going to do the same on each one of the Q-tip that's over here. Let's see how that would look. And then once you decide you like it, you will go ahead and use your white glue and stick it to the paper, okay? Making snowflakes is awesome. All right, I'm going to bend mine and I'm going to use two on each stick. Got a few more left. So bend it from the middle and then place it where you want. All right, so now that I have completed my snowflake and I see that I'm happy with it, I want to keep it in place. So I will use this glue and glue each part on the paper. Okay, that way after it dries, I can probably hang the snowflake in my office. So you can go ahead and try it yourself, find out different ways that you could do your snowflake, and then when you find one that you really like, you go ahead and use the glue and stick it to the paper. Okay? All right, I can't wait to see all the different snowflakes you guys will come up with. I hope you have fun doing this activity. I'll see you again later.